Jay, the Gourmet Indian Chef, back again. This time I'm with one of my favorite chutneys, which I've been often asked to bottle and sell, but I'm going to do one better. I'm going to give you guys the recipe. It's a simple recipe with very few ingredients, 6 actually, including the salt, as you can see here. My Tamarind-Ginger Chutney, good with French fries. We use it sometimes because our voodoo spice chicken wings in this sauce for the spice. Ones who like spice can be used as dip with pakoras, just as a simple hot sauce, anything. It's simple yet mind-blowing. Similar Indian long hot peppers. We have ginger garlic paste, which we have our video on the channel, and we'll have a link on this in this video as well. We have some real salt. We have a cup of cane sugar. We have 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder and a cup of tamarind pulp, which is just basically tamarind, the dried fruit, which has been soaked and blanched in water and pureed. Yeah.
Now keep in mind, you got to watch this video to the end. We're going to put the recipe card up. You'll get all the information and details there.
So let's make the chutney, right? You ready?
I'm ready.
I gotta destem the chilies first. Now, if you want less heat, you can also de-seed the chili if you like. I prefer the heat, so if you wanted to de-seed them, I would cut them, split them in half, and then de-seed them by scraping off the seed this way, if you don't want as much heat. Okay, so as with the others, we're going to start with the liquids first. In the blender. Kashmiri chili powder. And voila, here's our chutney. Tamarind-Ginger Chutney. To go for a quick taste, honey. I'll spare you the fiery chili chutney.
Yeah, it's such a gorgeous color.
Oh my God. The Gourmet Indian Chef, and I got you. I highly recommend this. Ooh, motherfucker.